If you want to use the Gemini app like Siri on your Android phone in your mother tongue, in your regional language, I show you. So the thing is very simple. Go to Play Store and click the search and type Google and install this Google app on your phone and open the app. So now click here over the profile and switch account if you have multiple Google accounts, then settings, and here click Google account and voice match. Then here you can see turn on voice like that button. You just need to click and do the voice setup process in English. Then after this you can see the extra option like add a language. Click this and type your regional language name. For me it's Tamil. I just type and click add. Now you need to say these words in your language. Okay Google, நன்றி மடல் எழுத உதவி செய். So you can see it's done. Okay Google, நாளை வானிலை எப்படி இருக்கும்? Likewise, you need to complete the process. So it's ready. You can see done. You need to click this option. Not now. So here you can see I added English, United Kingdom. That's the first language here, and my regional language Tamil. So both language were added. If you are multilingual, you can set up voice match in more than one language. So let's check that. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes.
I've set a timer for 5 minutes.
So it's working.
It will go off
in English. Let's check on the regional language. Hey Google, 10 நிமிடத்திற்கு ஒரு அலாரம் வை.
10 நிமிடங்களுக்கு ஒரு டைமர் வைக்கப்பட்டுள்ளது.
Yeah, it's done. It's working. Awesome. So this is how we need to do. And if you want to know more videos about Gemini, you need to watch this playlist.